Hi everyone, this is Charlotte. I'm back, but this time I am doing crafts lately and artwork. I'm still sewing a lot, but I'm taking a little break from the sewing. And so for the past few weeks, I've been having fun making these cute little sketchbooks slash, notebooks to give to people and for myself because I do like to draw. And so I'll just be demonstrating kind of, not the whole way to make it, but mainly just to put the cover on. But I used, as you can see, some cute washi tape just to cover like a file, cut the file paper, a file folder down to give it a little bit of sturdiness. And then I put these washi tape design for the cover, and this I did kind of a little collage and then added paper. Now you can use either just regular old copy paper, or in this case I had some leftover sketchbook paper that I cut down. I am sorry I won't be giving you all the dimensions because you can just make it whatever size you want. But what I'm doing here today is just kind of going to show you how I sewed these signatures, I believe is what they're called, into the cover of each book. This one I just painted the outside black and then put some stamped some white circle on it. I think it made it a little bit more, hopefully, manly. But anyway, so what these are the supplies I'll be using. Is you need an awl. I use this wax to help with to string the, if you're using, like, I have a ton of embroidery floss. So you kind of run the embroidery floss on that so that it'll go through the needle easier. And then when you're punching out the holes, obviously you'll need some kind of big book like this to set your book in to make the holes. So that's what I'll be demonstrating today. Okay, thank you.